In today's video, I will be showing you how to get this very elegant low bun hairstyle. So what I'm doing is brushing my hair back and getting it ready for the low ponytail. I'm using my favorite hair gel, which is Eco Styling Gel, and just putting a little bit of it in my hair and brushing it back just to spread it throughout the hair a little bit. And I'm taking my wave brush and just gently brushing my hair back, and I'm using a satin hair tie to tie my hair back gently, not too tight. I don't want the hair tie to pull out any of my hair, and I also don't want to have my hair too tight in the back, if that makes sense. Now I'm just taking a little bit of that Eco and just molding my edges in the front the way that I want it to look in the bun. So take your time with this and just be gentle when working with your edges. This hairstyle is a demo. This is the Kiss cover stick in the color black, and as you can see, I'm still thin on the side, but my edges have grown back tremendously. The Eco is making it look really thin. But yeah, just take the black stick and just put it on the hair and use your finger, or I like to use a baby brush now because I am regrowing my edges, and I just go ahead and brush it on through gently until I get it blended in well to my desire. So just take your time with this, guys. It takes practice. This product does work very well, guys. Don't knock it until you try it. So that looks good. So I'm just brushing the rest of my hair down, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get a hair tie, and I'm going to tie it down. You can tie it down for as long as you need overnight. I am going out, so this is going to be a really quick one right here. About 20 minutes. I had the head wrap on my head. I'm taking some braiding hair. It's some type of pre-stretched hair. There's like 4 packs of hair in there, and I'm going to take the existing rubber band on the bundle and just tie it to the back of my bun in the back. This is super simple, guys. Just tie the rubber band on the back like so. And I'm taking a bun that I purchased on Amazon and just cutting it in half. And you just want to take the end of the hair and just roll it up. Just roll it up, just like I'm doing. And then you're going to curve the ends and take some bobby pins and start pinning it down and pull the hair up and push the sponge down in the hair. As you can see what I'm doing, pulling the hair up, and then just bobby pin it down to your desire. And so you're looking like this. Look at how elegant that is. Don't worry about anything showing. The butterflies is going to disguise all of that. But yeah, just make sure you pin it down. But look at how beautiful this bun is. This is totally a wedding hairdo. You can do this for so many occasions. And then just go ahead and fix your edges to your desire. And this hairstyle is affordable and as simple as that, guys. I hope you enjoyed this hair tutorial. I love how it turned out. Give me a thumbs up if you like it and leave me a comment below. And I will see you guys in another video.